Hi, welcome to MB Edits. Today I am going to show you how to give your pictures a blackish vibrant look which looks pretty cool. This effect is only applicable in pictures which has a landscape kind of view. You can also try it in portraits and tweak some of the settings to make it cool. Go to Lights. Set exposure to 0.28. Set contrast to 20. Set highlights to -32. Set shadows to 12. Leave white in 0. Set blacks to -55. Go to Colors. Set Vibrance 100. Leave others in 0. Go to Mix. Select Green, and set Saturation -100 and Luminance -100. Select Yellow, set Hue -100 and set Saturation -89. Select Blue and set Hue -47, set Saturation -72 and Luminance -54. Select Blue and set Hue 100, set Saturation -100 and Luminance -100.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadows in the trees, holding on, memories never change.
Go to Effects. Set Vignette -20. Keep others untouched. Go to Detail. Set Color Noise Reduction 4. Set Noise Reduction 10. Set Sharpening 10. Leave everything else as it is.
Summer in the hills.
If you like my videos, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.